If you're using an APA style, there is a specific norm, the way it has to be cited for. And that's the way, that means if I take the same example, my full name is Raja Sankaran, followed by the second author as Shivashish Chakrabarti. The way it has to be written in the research paper or in the article, manuscript, or a thesis, if you're using an APA style, would be exactly in this way. So that means it will have, the first is the authors. Now note this, the author is always last name followed by a comma followed by the first name of the first author initials followed by an ampersand, and the second author in the same way, last name comma initials of the first name, and then the year of publication comes in the brackets, again a full stop, then would be the title of the research paper followed by the source or the journal in which it is published, followed by the volume and the issue number and the page number. So what this typically means is, when we talk about the volume, is the very first year when the journal started publishing, it would be volume number 1. Second year would be volume 2. The third year would be volume 3, like this. So that means this journal has been existing for 39 years based upon the volume that we are referring to. Next, followed by the issue number. Now, this is based upon the periodicity of publication in that particular journal. Some journals might publish once in every quarter. So in that case, they will have the issue as 1, 2, 3, and 4 if it is one every quarter. Some could have every month, some could have once in 6 months. So accordingly, the periodicity would change. So this would indicate about the issue number in which this particular research paper can be found, followed by the page number of this issue number of this volume in which it is published. And the last is the DOI. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier. Now, you must publish your research papers which has a DOI. Please do not publish them if you are into academics, or if you are a research scholar. Do not publish if you do not get any DOI number, irrespective of the type of domain that you are in. DOI ensures that it can be uniquely identified. Hence, it is known as a digital object identifier. Only with this particular DOI, I can access my research paper. I will show you how to use that, how to quickly search and install or create a library item in Mendeley as well. I will demonstrate few of this in a while. I'm first going to the concept so that we all are at the same page. We all understand about the way the citations needs to be looked into. Now, instead of using an APA style, if you're using any other style, something could be different. Instead of using the year in brackets, it could use a different format. Instead of using the name of the journal in italics, it could be in double quotes, or the name of the title could be in double quotes. All these are again referenced by the way the referencing style is. In certain cases, you might also find VOL dot followed by the volume number, and similarly for issue number as well as the page number. So this typically goes with the referencing style, but these are something common across the board that we need to make use of, irrespective of the type of referencing style that we use. So author, year, title, source, the volume, issue, page number in the DOI are a must whenever you want to refer to any of the research papers. Something equivalent or similar would be in case of a web page, or for example, if you want to refer to somebody's thesis or some other work like a secondary data or a report that you want to make use of. There are different styles or different approaches similar